Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find wallpaper. Tap on it, and in this right section we can choose a specific album from which we will select the wallpaper from, so live wallpapers, Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and wallpaper and style. So let me tap on it, and here we have to tap on change wallpaper. We've been transferred to on-device wallpaper section, so let me tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the full screen. You can change the position of it, so you can decide how you want to frame it, let's say. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.